Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a Volkswagen Polo. This is the R-Line edition, 2013 plate, and I'm going to show you how to change your pollen filter. Let's get into it. So if we come around the passenger side, open the door, we're going to be locating the pollen filter, which is underneath the glove box. So take a look under the glove box here. You can see this little black box here. There's two sliding tabs on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slide these tabs inwards, and then hopefully pull down, sharp pull down, and then we'll have the little bracket off there, or the cover, sorry. And now we can try and grab our pollen filter, just like that, and we're just going to slide it out. Make note of which way the airflow arrow goes, and then we're just going to pop in, slide up our new one into position. And then we're going to get our cover. I'm going to slide it back up so it clips in just like that. And these little tabs, we're just going to slide across to lock it in position like that. There you have it. There's a quick video on how to change your pollen filter on a Volkswagen Polo 2013 plate. A lot of them are the same. A lot of the Volkswagen Audi groups have the same concept, slightly different filter locations and slightly different angles, but again, same principle throughout. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.